Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the update on ARPA chain. In my previous videos of ARPA chain, I've been showing you that it broke out a very big and long-term down channel on a weekly time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a very nice pump. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it was almost 449% pump. The price then got rejected by this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 10 cents and goes to 12.5 cents. Previously, it had been working at the resistance zone here, and resistance on here. And again, after the breakout from the channel, pricing got rejected. And here again, it is rejected and now dropped down. And now we have broken down a very significant uptrend line support. And you can see that after the breakdown, this uptrend line is now flipped into resistance for the past several weeks or months. It is getting rejected by this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for secret client, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup, I shared on 6th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of ARPA chain. And this is 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, it was moving above this uptrend line support since after the month of November 2022. You can see that we had a bounce here, and another bounce here, several touch points and bounce. Then finally, we broke it down here in the month of June 2024. And after the breakdown for the past several months, it is working at a resistance. You can see that we got rejections here, and now we have broken down these two significant support levels. One was here at 5.5 cents. It was recently working as support here and resistance here for several weeks a month. And here it was also working as a resistance and here as a support. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. We got rejected by this resistance of 5 cents and broke down the next support of 4 cents as well. That was recently working as support here. And before that, for several months, it has been working as a support here as well. Now, we have tested the next long-term support of 2.9 cents. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, and you can see that after testing the support, the price and is now trying to break out this resistance of 4 cents. And in case of breaking out, it can move to the next resistance of 5 cents. But if the price then breaks out the 5 cents resistance, then imminent move can be possible up to the next long-term resistance of 8 cents and slightly higher than this resistance of 8 cents, there will be this uptrend line resistance as well that was previously working as support. And now you can see that it is working as a resistance. By the way, this 8 cents is also a quite long-term resistance that was recently working as a resistance here, resistance here. And before that, here, almost here, it was working as support. And now here, again, it is working as a resistance. Therefore, we need to break it out in order to continue this rally to the upside that was begun here after the breakout from this down channel. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this channel, that move is still due. That target can be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. For more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.